In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the multi-purpose doorway pull-up bar. In the box, you will find the hardware, 2 curved bars, the middle crossbar, the stop rail, the side crossbars, and a poster. Place the mid crossbar on the floor and insert the side crossbars onto its sides, aligned to the first 2 openings. Once the openings have been aligned, use part 7, the screws, and attach them using your Allen wrench provided. The openings closest to the mid crossbar must be left untouched to install the curved bars. Place the 2 curved bars next to the openings that you need to attach them to. Place the curved bar on top of the mid crossbar. Using the bolt part 5, slide it into both and install. Secure with a washer and a cap nut. Repeat these steps until both curved bars are installed into the mid crossbar. Locate the openings in the plastic stop rail using bolts part 6. Attach them to the top of the curved bars and tighten with a washer and a nut cap. Complete the steps on the opposite side. The plastic stop rail should stabilize the whole multi-purpose workout bar. Make sure that all bars have their plastic plugs installed into them to avoid injury. If you see any parts missing, simply install back into the bar. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.